Hi, I'm Chris Colling, and this is my Chevy Kodiak 4500, and I just thought I'd make a quick video of how I get it. So I slide up to the foot plate here, put my legs up on the foot plate, get my chair as close as possible, scoot as far forward on the seat as I can. Put one hand up on the hand grip, the other one I grab the seat, and then just pull myself up. And then that's how I get in. And then to load my chair, I gotta reach down, grab my cushion out, bring it inside. I got this crane here, which I reach out, lean over to it like that, which I have a shut off down here so it doesn't kill the battery. And then my hand control, which scoops it up and loads it in the back of the truck. And then to unhook, just lower it down. Reach down. Unhook it like that. Grab my cushion. Put it back down. And then, just like all my other vehicles, it just has a mechanical hand control for gas and brake. Then to get out, it's pretty much just a control fall. So, put my hand up on the handrest, put my feet down like that, hold on to the seat, and then lower myself down onto the chair. That's it. That's how I get in and out of the Kodiak. Thank you. I hope this helps encourage anybody, and God bless.